Recently, Mr. Vivek Chawla was elevated as the whole-time director and CEO of Emami Paper Mills Limited. In an exclusive interview with Papermart, he talks about the responsibilities he has on account of being the chief executive, the opportunities he foresees for the company and the Indian paper industry, the vision of the Emami Group, and the key challenges. During the interaction, Mr. Vivek Chawla also presented his plans with regard to increasing the production capacity and enhancing efficiency and the efforts of Emami Paper Mills in CSR and sustainability. He has been associated with Emami Group since 2016 and affirms that he has been immensely satisfied with this journey of around 5 years in the company. Having held the position of the whole-time director and CEO at Emami Cement Limited for more than 4 years and with proven expertise in spearheading the cement business, he was presented with the opportunity to be the CEO at Emami Paper Mills Limited from April this year. Speaking to Papermart, Mr. Chawla stated that the paper industry has its own challenges and that he is confident that they can make a difference and create opportunities from the challenges that they face. He looks forward to and is excited to work in the Indian paper industry. Shedding light on the latest developments, he informed that Emami Paper Mills has recently forayed into the copier paper segment. It is also looking to explore Azure laid paper. The company also intends to make certain additions to the writing and printing segment with introducing newer grades which will be different in terms of physical as well as aesthetic values of the product, including lower grammage paper and so on. Talking about the production capacity, Mr. Chawla mentioned that Emami Paper Mills plans to attain complete utilization of its 3 machines which are into the newsprint, writing and printing and craft paper segments. The 4th machine, which is a packaging board machine, is running at full capacity. As regards with the recent developments at Emami Paper Mills, the company has committed certain capex for its existing machinery setup.